Hello guys, welcome to ShepherdEmpire. In this video, we are going to be learning important shortcut keys for computer. That is important shortcut keys that you can use on your computer. My name is Samuel Pants, and then you are welcome to ShepherdEmpire. So please subscribe and do share, and also don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Drop your comments on what you want us to improve or anything that is bothering your mind. Any software that you want us to do a video on, don't forget to drop a comment on it. So we are going to start by the famous Control A, which many of us might know. So Control A do select all, so it could be all text, all files, all objects, or everything on the screen. Once you click to select or activate it, and then you press Ctrl A, it's going to select automatically everything that appears on your screen. That is the job of Ctrl. For you, do select everything on your screen. It could be text, it could be icons, it could be files, it could be folders. Now from there you go to Ctrl C. Now Ctrl C here, what it does is that it copies the text for you. Once you select the text or once you select the icon or object, it copies it for you. So Ctrl C is for copy and Ctrl X is for cut. Now the difference between copy and cut is very simple. With copy, you're trying to duplicate the original file or text into another place, but with cut, you're trying to move from one place to the other. But take note that you cannot cut a text from the internet if you are not the one who put it there. For example, you open a page and then you are searching for information, you get it, and then you want to cut. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to copy it, and then we have Control V. Now Control V here is for paste. Once you copy or cut anything, could it be text or folder, you just need to press Ctrl P and then paste it on the new location that you want to send it. So you don't need to go through the normal long process that we used to. So now we know Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl X, and then Ctrl V. Sorry. Now we have Ctrl Z, which is undo. So technically, if you're doing something, if you are typing, if you are designing, doing whatever you want to do on your computer, and then you don't want that action, you don't want to take that action again, you can press Ctrl Z and then it will go, so that it will undo and then take you back. Now after maybe pressing undo Ctrl Z and then you realize that you need that thing back, you can always go for that thing or that action by pressing Ctrl Y, that is redo. The next one is bold. Now here we are more looking at the formatting area, how you can format your text to make it stand out. If you're making a presentation that you want to emphasize on some points or some areas, you can use bold. So Ctrl B will bolden your text for you, or will make your text bold. But before you apply most of the keyboard shortcut keys, you need to select first. So for example, if you want to bold the text, you need to select the text first before you press Ctrl B. Now Ctrl U on the other hand underlines it. For example, a heading of a presentation, or a heading of let's say a work, any piece of work or document that you are working on. If you want to underline anything, once you select it, you can press Ctrl U for you to select. For this command or this shortcut key, most people that uses Word and PowerPoint are very familiar with it. Now sometimes you want to make your text stylish or slant it in a way that also will make it stand out, or to emphasize on a point or explanation. Here is Ctrl I for you. Now Ctrl I will italize the text for you. Now we have bonus for you. So this video is very short one. We're going to come out with more shortcut keys that will help you or become handy for you in your day-to-day activities on your computer, as far as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and most of the illustrations software are concerned. Now, before we go on to the bonus, please take your time and then subscribe to my channel. The name is Shepherd Empire. If you are watching it in any other platform, the name is Shepherd Empire. Please take your time and then subscribe. Leave a comment. Anything you don't understand, leave a comment so that we can address it for you. Or if you want us to make a video on any other software or application, it could be phone application, it could be computer application, just drop a comment and then we are going to attend to it for you. And then also share for others to also get watch some of most insightful videos. Now this is F1 on the keyboard. When you press F1, you're basically opening a help menu. Yeah, you are opening a help menu. So if you find yourself wanting in any page and then let's say you don't know what to do, you just have to press the F1 key and then it will open the help menu for you. And then F2 on the other hand, when you want to rename a selected object, a file, a folder or an icon, you just have to select the file or folder and then you press F2 for it to be renamed for you. Sometimes you might be working on a document or a project that needs, a project that needs you to split your screen or divide your screen into two so that maybe you can be watching on the other one and then be upgrading it on the other side. Now what you need to do is to press your Windows key. So this command is for Windows, so I'm going to do one for those using MacBook. So you press your Windows key and then you use the arrow keys. So you could be right, you could be left, and then you're going to get your keys or your screen splitted or divided into two so that you can work on these two windows. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for your attention, and then don't forget to subscribe. The name still is Samuel Cranton, and then there's my email and Shepherd Empire on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and then Twitter also. You can search for me at Shepherd Empire, as well as TikTok. Then we put most of our learning videos there. So stay with us, and then we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Have a good day.